Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I did wash my hair prior to doing this video, and as you guys can see, I use Shea moisture retention shampoo to cleanse my hair. So I use a Cantu shea butter deep treatment mask, and I'm going to go ahead and use this to deep condition today. So I section out my hair into smaller parts and I spritz it with some water because my hair was drying out real quick. Then I go ahead and applied my deep conditioner and I rub that into my hair, ensuring that I coat all my strands. Now I'm going in with my brush. This is my detangling brush that I have, and I'm just going to go ahead and start from the bottom and work my way up to my roots and detangle my hair, and then I will twist that out of the way. I'm just going to go ahead and repeat this. First, I go ahead and detangle my hair with my white tooth comb. After I spritz my hair with water, then I will add my leave-in conditioner. Now I'm going with my detangling brush and I'm just detangling my hair, starting from the end and working my way up to the roots. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you one last time how I apply the product to my hair. And as you guys can see, the product was like getting everywhere. And I am a bit heavy handed. That is why you're seeing so much product on top of my hair. Okay, you guys can always use less product. This is just what I use so that I can have a peace of mind, like my hair is getting coated as I want it. And I also applied some to my edges. You can't leave those out. They need to be deep conditioned too. Okay, so once that is on, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my hair cap. This is what I use to steam my hair, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on. So now I'm going in with my standing dryer and I'm going to allow the heat to penetrate my head for 30 minutes. I'm just gonna go ahead and just sit down, relax, talk a little bit, and like do stuff on my phone. Actually, I was like editing a thumbnail right here, guys. So the work never ends, even when I'm like, washing my hair. While I have a break, I go ahead and do some YouTube work. Now the 30 minutes is up and I am removing myself from under the dryer, and this is what the hair is looking like once it is fully steamed. It's like well moisturized and juicy. So I did go into the shower and wash that out. I do wash my hair out in the twist. I don't pull my twist out, and then I apply my t-shirt. Now I'm just gonna go in with these products. If you guys aren't aware of these products that I'm using, I do have a video showing all the products that I plan to use for my hair care regimen. I will be linking that in the cards for you guys, and I'm just gonna go ahead and moisturize and seal my hair. And I ensure to like rub that into my hair to ensure that it is being well moisturized. As you guys can see how shiny that is, and once I let that go, it's like bouncy and not dry looking. So that is what I'm trying to achieve there. Ooh, unmoisturized. So now I'm basically going to like repeat that process all over my hair. So I went in with my leave-in conditioner as well as my hair cream. Then I go in with my oil, and then I apply the Blue Magic to it. And guys, my definition, my hair texture was like being so defined at this point. That showed me that it is being moisturized properly. Like, look at that, guys. I don't need no gel. I don't need no gel. Well, I do need gel because my hair is like super light. So oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna like section my hair out and twist that up. And don't worry about that white residue that you're seeing. It will eventually absorb. So once all my hair is like moisturized and twist up, I go with the wild growth hair oil through my scalp and I just apply that all over. Sorry about any background noise, guys. So basically this is my deep conditioning routine, guys. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video.